What is up, guys? Little Timmy in the building. I did some grinding offline. Well, not offline, but I've got some eggs offline. So, and look, I have got this fat duck and fried duck. So, well, last time I got the fried duck, but I was grinding offline and I got the fat duck. So, let's go here. Let's pick this up because it's very easy. What the? Same in this video, we're just gonna upgrade this thingy, but I'm lagging really bad. Oh yeah, everything. Let's unlock this. The goal in this video is to get the snowman duck. One duck at a time, you know? We got another one of these blocks. If anybody saw it, I saw it. I know I did, because I was grinding offline with this. See, but I don't have 9 billion, so if I get 1 billion in this video, or yeah, if I get 1 billion in this video, or the snowman, the video ends. No doubt. So. Hello? Okay. Now it gives that much money. I want like 1 million per second though. Oh, hello. Let's grab all this. Cheeseburger and fried chicken. Why don't I eat it? Like, I'm hungry too, man. I want to sell it. I do not want to sell it. I want to eat that. I want to eat that crap. Perfect. And we got a mushy. Unlock. Unlock. Oh, I ran out of money, of course. Let's just unlock this. It's already been 3 minutes, so. Okay, whatever. Let's just jump on here. Let's buy 25 ducks. Keep buying that. I feel like a bunny hopping every day. Oh, okay, whatever. I got a goose out of that and a villager duck, so it's pretty good. Let's go check out other people's. No chicken farm there. James's base. Let's go to James' base. Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Hello? Okay. That guy was acting weird. Let's go to this base. And not know how to say that. This guy. He has a pretty good base. Okay. I don't think he likes me watching him. Yo, yes, It's a new starter. It's a new starter. Hopefully he subbed. Are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Thank you. You're in a video. You're in a video. Wow, guys, we found a subscriber. Okay. See, guys, if you just joined this game, you might run into me. Hello, Timmy. What the? Everything's just paused. Menacingly. Ah! I'm a menace to society. Oh. Let's discard all this. Let's just buy all these. Or like grab all these, I guess. You're not buying them, you're selling them. You have to go to the deposit chamber. Boom. Okay. We found a subscriber in this video. Okay. Oh. You guys think he lied about subscribing? Or is he actually subscribed? I don't know, man. I'm just jumping on this button for right now. As you saw in my last video, or like one of my shorts, I want to make this video like less long. So let's just get a snowman duck. I'll be happy with a snowman duck. See what I mean? I'm just like a bunny rabbit, just hopping all day. I mean, I'm technically like rich. How do 3 chickens make a duck? This is weird. Let's just keep jumping on this button. Okay, let's grab these. Hello? Unlock. Hopefully we get a dummy, aka Little Bob Jr. Oh no, we got a goose. Way better than a dummy. Come on. We got me. Yep. Okay, I guess I'll take it. Discard. Perfect. This farmer is old. First video or second video, Hey, can I get a chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chilling with my homie? Anybody remember that song? I know I do. Merge all of my chickens. What the? This villager's hiding. The fat duck can't hide though. Okay, perfect. And I actually made a short about what game I should make next. Or what game should I play next? So, what game should I play next? Like on a phone, or on Roblox. Because I made a Minecraft video, really good. I actually ran into a pink sheep. First time, ever. And I got it on camera, so you guys all saw it. Let's deposit our eggs in the deposit chamber with this weird old man. Oh yeah. It's been 11 minutes. I might actually get to 1 billion before I get the snowman duck. Let's see, because I'm about to get another. I think if I just hop on this a lot of times. Let's hop on this. Yep, let's just hop. Be a bunny rabbit. That's basically the entire game. Hopping like a bunny rabbit. See how much money or what can I get if I just keep hopping on this, because I have a lot of money. Hopefully I could get another fried duck. Fried chicken. What is happening? This game is so laggy. Yo, I got another fat duck. If we could get another fat duck, merge them, get another fried ducks, that would be good. Hello? My God, it's so laggy. There's so much Lucky Blocks though. We got 2 chubby fat guys. A long neck. Hopefully. Comment down below, what is your favorite cartoon that you watched as a kid? Well, I'm still a kid because I'm little Timmy and I'm still in school and I'm kind of dumb. I will always watch SpongeBob. Yeah. They should make a bunny duck if they haven't already. Or they should make a little Timmy Plays duck. So laggy. I'm about to get another villager duck though. Let's just collect all this cash. And boom, merge them. I guess it's just really laggy, I guess. Oh my God. take a picture. No. He's getting creeped out. I guess I'm just scary. Rawr! No picture for him, I guess. Yo, I'm about to get a villager duck. I don't understand where I put the eggs. Okay, I know I put them in a basket, but like, it should at least show me holding a basket. You know? Do I eat the eggs? Okay. 16-minute long video. So, if I could get it in less time than the 3-minute one, or the number 3 one that I got last time, I'll take that as a dub, or we could just get the thing now. Let's just hop on this. Yeah, we already got a villager duck. If we get a fat duck, yeah, we're almost there, actually. Let's just burn through all my money real quick. $67 million. See that? Oh, no more 67s, guys. So laggy. Yeah, guys. How was your day? Mine went pretty good. I made a Minecraft video. I made a few shorts. And it would just make my day better if you subscribed. So, yeah, subscribe. Oh, see, I'm about to get another. I'm about to get another fried duck, honestly. Check this out. Because if I could get another villager, then I get another villager. See, I already got another villager. Then I'll get a fat duck. And then I'll get a fried duck. So it'll be like right there. Come on, I'm jumping, I'm jumping, I'm jumping, I'm jumping, jump, jump, jump. This is quite peaceful. My legs are kind of starting to hurt from jumping though. Come on, if we could just get another villager. We got a dummy. We got another dummy. Let's go. We're about to get it. Yeah, we already got another goose. We already got another mushy. Come on. Oh, I just ran out of money. There's no way. I just collected more. Come on, we gotta stop the lag because it's lagging really bad. Come on, stop lag. Stop the lag. Mission stop lag. Yeah, this has just been a lot of time. My legs are starting to hurt. Let's collect all this. What the? There's no way. They all are floating. Yo guys, look, I'm a duck now. I'm a villager duck. Quack, quack, quack. Or I could be a fat duck. I'm kind of scared to go under the fat duck though, because he's very fat. Quack, quack. Where did my fried duck go? There's no way. How do I get up there? How do I get up there? Can I be a parkour pro? No. Parkour pro. Yes, I am a parkour pro. What the? Okay, let's just collect all these eggs. Perfect. 3 million goes into the Chick-fil-A stop. Can I get some Chick-fil-A sauce? Or can I get some barbecue sauce? No Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah, no Chick-fil-A. No Chick-fil-A sauce. Well, yeah, no Chick-fil-A sauce, please. Yo. Yay, I got my gummy. Now guess what? Got another fried duck. Let's go. Think the video should end right here. Because if you look, I've got the fried duck. I've got 2 fried ducks now. Or fried chicken. Comment down below. What is your favorite meal? Hey, we got a mushy. So I think that's going to be it for the video. Comment, like, subscribe. And peace. There's a lot of hopping today because I'm a bunny. So, subscribe, like, and comment. A lot of things actually, because I said comment that. So, bye. Bye.